Hey guys, ever wish you could air up or down all 4 tires at once? Well, now you can, thanks to the EZ-Flate HyperFlex hose system.
Right out of the box, you get this nice compact zipper case. It's rugged, simple, and keeps everything organized. EZ-Flate also included a couple different set of valve stem covers as an added bonus. I'll probably put the black ones on my Jeep. Alright, here's what we've got inside. First up is the 4 interconnected 12-foot HyperFlex hoses. These are made from reinforced rubber and are rated for up to 300 psi. Whether you're running 35s, 40s, or something even bigger, these will handle it all. And the quick connect fittings make setup a breeze. No fuss, no wasted time. Next up is the 4-way manifold. This thing is CNC machined aluminum with brass fittings. It's lightweight, super solid, and has clearly labeled parts, so there's no guessing where anything goes.
And this kit pairs perfectly with the case system that I also got from EZ-Flate, which you can check out in this video here.
Want to grab your own HyperFlex hose system? Click the link below and save 10%. Alright, that's it for this one. Stay tuned for the full trail demo with the case system, and be sure to give a like and subscribe.